Which one's the one?
I guess.
Oh, you're talking about, which one are you talking about? The one you wanted.
Are you a friendly guy? Mingus. Are you Mingus? Are you laying on all your toys? You know, you can take them out of your bed if you want. I swear you can. There you go. Now you'll be cozy. Is there another one underneath you? You have black whiskers too. Black and white whiskers. Oh, I'm stuck. You squashed me. You're going to stand up and cuddle? Just lay down and cuddle? Okay.
I think I showed that one to Mom and she was like,
Hi, Mingus. Hi, Mingus. Hi, kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty. Hi. Oh, awesome.
look at this. Oh, that's...
Hi.
That's where the puncher was. Sad face.
Hi.
No, that's fine. That one's okay. It's beautiful.